water. Okay, so you want to just be careful, that's hot over there. See? So you put 1 spoon of water into here.
Mum, do you want to just explain what you guys are doing?
Okay, we're making omelets for breakfast today, and Andy's going to learn how to make an omelet. He's making his own omelet, and it's going to be shared with Jane.
Ah.
So there's two eggs in there.
Okay.
Andy, 1 more spoon of water. You put 1 spoon of water in for your egg, and now 1 spoon of water in for Jane's egg.
But Jane doesn't put it in the omelet.
No, she has to, otherwise it won't work out. Okay. Now, next step is you're going to...
Is that 2 spoons already?
2 spoons, yeah. Okay. You put 1 in already. Right, now you're going to shake that. So you just put your fingers on top. It's nicely, tightly closed. Put your fingers on top and shake it and shake it and shake it. Just turn around your face, Daddy. Okay.
What you doing?
Shaking the bottle.
Mixing up your eggs for your omelette, eh?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, we need some grated cheese.
Do you think that's ready enough?
I think that's ready enough. Now, what we've got here, this is going to get really hot, so just be careful. We're making our pan get hot. And to make a really good omelette, you're going to use a little bit of butter. So you take a little chunk of butter off there with a knife and pop it into the pan. I'll sort of tell you how much to take. Very good, very good. Very good. Yeah, that's the perfect amount. So stick it into the pan. You can hold here. This is not hot, eh? You can hold that. Okay.
Then I just...
Yeah, just get it into the pan. Oopsie.
There.
Okay.
Wrapped around, right?
Let's take a little tiny bit more. I'm going to take a tiny bit more. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, no, Andy, don't touch.
It's not hot.
It is hot, sweetie. It's very hot.
Then add a brand to it. Okay?
Andy, just...
Okay.
Here we go.
Hey, why
All right,
is
now
that
you hold your pan.
Why is this doing this?
Because that's about the right amount. That's about the right amount of... And Rachel's going to come and grate some cheese for us. Hold your pan, sweetie. Hold it on that side. It's not hot at all. See, can you feel? It's not hot at all. Now what you've got to do, we've got to wait for our... Just tip it up and down and then put it back on the stove.
You're making your own omelette. That's very exciting. I'm going to make some cheese for your omelette.
Jane!
Hello, Jane.
You're coming to watch. Shall we get
Hello,
out?
Jane.
Shall we get
So
out?
your brother making your omelette, eh?
Get out. Okay, now this butter has to be very, very hot. And you know when it's hot enough, when it starts getting a little bit brown, and you get smoke coming up. So you watch and you tell me when the butter's sending smoke up.
Cheese for all the other omelets too.
Yeah, please. Yeah, you can just get a bit. Yeah, get a bit
Just
of
feel
the
over here.
You see?
Just feel over here.
That's going to be hot there, see? But if you hold there, it's not hot. Ooh, this is taking a long time to get hot, hey?
I should break water already.
Yeah, you can grate it because we'll use it.
I just think the tomatoes are
In the
ready.
meantime,
Yeah, that's a good point.
there's some for Andy.
With the tomatoes.
I'll do that, Mum.
Okay, thank you.
That could be enough.
You know what? That
That's
pot
enough, yeah.
is a very good pot because it helps it to be very nice.
Absolutely, it cooks beautifully. Those are Granny's favourite pots. Is there any smoke coming out yet?
No. Like that one, yes.
Yeah, that one, but that's not our omelette pan.
What
Just
type is that?
waiting for our omelette pan to get warm.
What's that? What's in there?
We've got mushrooms in there. Okay. Now, Andy's a tall guy. Now you're going to use this. This is your spatula, and I'm going to tell you what to do with that once we put the egg in. Okay? Gosh, it is taking a while. is there any smoke coming out here?
No.
Yeah, don't tell me, Karen. I'm still finishing a coffee.
That's fine. Yeah, thanks very much. I really just needed some for Andy right now.
Now finish it off. It's going to finish the coffee before it's cold.
It's starting to boil.
That's smoking.
Spread this around, honey. Spread your butter around. Hold there and turn and spread your butter around.
How?
Okay, there. Well, you can use that. Use that.
Okay.
All right. Is it smoking now?
Yes.
Okay. Now just put that down. Put that down a moment over there.
Okay.
And now you pour your egg into the pan. Hold the pan here. Hold the pan. Pour your egg in. Okay. Excellent.
Excellent.
I messed over there.
That's okay, we'll clean up afterwards. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the heat down a little bit. Turn it down to number 4. Now you know what you must do. Look here, Andy. Take this and you just lift the side so the egg can run underneath. You think you can do that?
Yep.
That's right. All the egg must go underneath there.
Why?
Because we want it all to cook. We want the runny egg to go underneath so that it will cook.
There.
It's coming on nicely. Do it a little bit more around here. That's it. And then we just lift the pan a little bit so the egg goes underneath. Lift the side of your omelette with your spatula. That's it. That's the way. Then we let the egg go under. Lift it up there too. Yeah. Okay. This is looking yummy, hey? Looking yummy. That's the way. And lift it up here a bit and here.
Don't you maybe have a smaller lifter?
Yeah, maybe a cake lifter would be nice, hey? All right.
Maybe a bit too sharp though, but something with like a rectangular sort of form.
There we go, this is better. I'd rather use that. All right, Andy.
You're doing a great job, Andy.
Yeah. Okay, lift the pan up so the egg runs underneath. Just tilt it. Okay. Now, my darling, now's the time to put your cheese in. So what you got to do, you got to think about your omelette, think about your omelette being in half. So you're going to put the cheese on that half, okay? There we go.
Why?
Because we're going to fold the omelette over. So this side we're going to fold over onto that side.
And then what will happen?
And then the cheese will all melt. I put it over there.
Onto both sides, right?
Yeah.
What's that music coming from?
From the
Radio.
from the radio. Okay. Wow, that looks excellent, eh? Now you know what you do. Hold your pan. Hold the pan here. Now take this and you're going to fold that one over that like that. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Real omelet.
Looks beautiful, hey?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm just going to